Today we're turning another bowl. These are turned in grain. They're different from how most bowls are turned. The experiment today is my universal cutter is going to be tipped at a 45-degree angle. So instead of a clean sweep through the rotation, it's going to make a 45-degree angled pass through the material. And this is maple. It's kind of figured maple. It's got some ripples in it. They're kind of hard to see, but they're there. I'm going to turn the machine on and we'll see what happens. I can control the speed of my cutter down to 0, and I'll speed it up. Like that, and then I've got my tools hooked on this cross slide that's held onto the table with these mag switches. I will turn this handle a little bit, and we'll be able to see a cut starting to form. Now instead of the cut being at 90 degrees, it's at 45 degrees like the cutter is now. We've got one pass around there. I'm going to dial in about 20 more thousandths. Instead of a straight cut, the valleys are at an angle, so that gives it a little bit different look. I'm going to slow the head down, the spindle, and I'm going to take another 15 thousandths. Now where the end grain is here, it wants to tear out a little bit, and I haven't figured out a very good way around that. This being kind of a greener, softer wood. This one's not too bad. It's only got 1 or 2 bad spots in it. I'll end up going around this bowl 2 or 3 times, and it'll get rid of most of that, but you can see this makes kind of an interesting pattern. Turn the light off, see if that helps any. Rocking back and forth here on this rosette. We'll zoom out a little bit. You can see my overhead belt drive is run by this motor here. It comes over and down to the universal cutter. Now it's went around once. I'll go around a couple more times, and I'll probably dial in 2 or 3 thousandths and try to get rid of some of these fuzzy pieces of wood that tear out here. But this one won't be too bad when I get done. Thanks for watching.